Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. I baked a cake today. I just made a devil's food sheet cake. Now y'all know how I do. I put 1 extra egg. I used butter instead of oil, milk instead of water. Except today when I made it, I used duck eggs. Someone had given me duck eggs and I wanted to try it. I hear they're wonderful for baking. So that's what I did. And it's nice and cool now. And I have a tub of chocolate fudge frosting that I have melted a little bit. And I don't know if I'm going to need 1 or 2. I have 2 if I need it. But I want to pour this over the top of this cake. Yeah, this is just going to be a little short, sweet video. I just wanted to show you what I'm doing here. And I think 1 tub is going to be enough. I usually get 2 tubs because it's never enough frosting for me when I'm making a layer cake. And, cake's just a vehicle for frosting, right? Okay, so let's get that spread out nice and beautiful. Can you see what I'm doing there? I think you can. Looky there. Okay, now this frosting is not hot. I just barely got it softened, just enough that I could pour it and drizzle it like that. This is so neat. If you ever want like a ganache, that's a good cheap way to do it. Melt your tub of chocolate frosting. And I realize that some people don't like store-bought frosting, and that's fine. You can make your own. So let's get all that good stuff in there, right? Okay, let me get a napkin. Okay, so on top of this, I don't have a full tub of Cool Whip. I've only got a little bit. But we're going to use what I have. And we're just going to plop it here and there. And we're just going to spread it out a little bit what we have. You can make your own heavy whipping cream. Although, I'm going to tell you, this stuff will hold up a lot better than your homemade whipped cream. So let's just spread this out a little bit. It don't have to be perfect. It don't have to be like a thick layer. We just want a little bit on top. We're just making it extra decadent. Pop Jones loves a chocolate cake, and he don't ask for desserts often, but when he does, he asks for chocolate cake. So I thought I'd surprise him today with this one, and I hope he's going to like it. I think he will. But this has got whipped cream, the Cool Whip. Whether you use Cool Whip, whipped topping, whatever brand you use, it's all going to be good, but you need to keep it refrigerated, okay? I want to get a little extra in that center right there. I want it covered up nicely. Okay, so you see, it's not perfect, but that's okay. Now, what I'm going to do next, I have some English toffee bits. We love these things, and he loves Heath bars. Find my scissors, y'all. I've been cooking today, and I think I've used everything in my kitchen. So I'm going to take a few of these, not a lot. I just want a few. And if you can get the ones that are chocolate coated, those are even better than these. I don't want a lot. I just want a little bit. Now, looky there. I think that's plenty. Let's put a little bit right here. If you find a little open spot, just put a few. Now, looky there. Isn't that beautiful? And see, there you go. It's nice It's decorated. And it's done. And it's that simple. This was short, this was sweet, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you'll try to make something like this one day. But remember my trick that I told you. It's not my trick. It's something I learned. An extra egg, butter instead of oil, milk instead of water if you're using box cake mix. Take advantage of these prepackaged mixes in the store, and there's so many of them that are delicious. And the cake mix is one of them, and they're more economical, I think. Anyway, and they're time saving. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you'll come back and visit with me again real soon. I certainly appreciate every one of you. Now, y'all don't forget, I have 2 cookbooks out, Volume 1 and Volume 2. And I hope you'll go out and check them out and think about ordering one. You can find them on my website, KarenJonesFoodAndFamily.com. I certainly appreciate it, and I appreciate every one of you. And thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. I'll see you soon, everybody.